This is a quick tutorial on how to post a YouTube video in the yet another bulletin board system, so the YaBB forum. We'll go ahead and start a new topic here. We'll give it a quick title. And I want to put video here. So find the YouTube video that you want to put, and if you notice that there is a share option at the bottom of the video, the problem is that this particular link won't work with the current version of YaBB forums. So just to show you, I'm going to click the Insert Media button. Insert the media, and then just to show you what it's going to look like, I'm going to hit the Preview button down at the bottom. As you notice, it previews the text that I put in, but it doesn't show me the actual video. Now, the important piece of information is this piece that I'm highlighting right now, which is the YouTube video ID. And if you also notice, you can paste the shared link there, hit enter, and it'll take you to the same video. So instead of grabbing it from the share option, which gives us this shortened URL, I'm just going to grab it from up here. Come back over here, and I'm going to replace it. Now notice there's that same V equals, which is video equals, and that same number. Everything after the ampersand sign, you can actually scratch it. You don't need it. This is just showing them a referral as where it came from. So I'm going to scratch that. You don't have to, but I like to keep my URLs clean. And then I'll do a quick preview. And there you see your video. And just to show you that it works, I'm just going to go ahead and play it. And you'll see it playing. Notice that it's a normal resolution. It's not a high definition resolution. It's just a normal resolution video. But you can change that by simply adding the ampersand HD for high def equals 1. In other words, turn on high def. And what that's going to do is that's going to default the video to be what is considered high def, which is the minimum resolution of 720p. I'll just show you that. Refresh preview. Now when we play it, you'll notice it changed to YouTube HD. Oops. And you'll also notice that the quality is a little bit better. But that's not good enough. We want the video to be a little bit bigger, maybe take up a little bit more of the screen so you can see it a little bit better, because you can't really see these options on there. So we're going to add another option called width within the bracket. Notice that what I did was if I highlight this particular section, you see it's the media within the brackets, and then it closes it over here. Within the bracket space, width equals, and then however wide you want it to be in pixels. Now I'm going to make it, let's say 600 pixels, and refresh my preview, and you'll see it take up a lot more of the screen. I mean, you can really go overboard with it. You can say, oh, let's make it 2,000 pixels, and it's going to really mess up on you. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it at about 600. Refresh it. We'll try 900. I think what it is YaBB defaults to 3 digits, so I think our 2000 equaled 200 to them. And you can see it kind of go off the screen. You got to scroll to see it. So to keep it within the window, we'll change it back to 600. And there you have your video. You'll also notice that once you make it larger, you have an option. You can see it's defaulted to 720p. I'm just going to pause it for a second. But you can also go in and select 1080p if you wanted. And that's the basics of how you add a video within YaBB.